Hey guys, welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, episode 183. Today, the theme of the episode, we're going to look at the 5 best-selling niches on Amazon, excluding Thanksgiving and Christmas. So these are really going to present us a list of opportunities that I like to target that can sell year-round. These are going to be like heavily interest-based. These are my favorite opportunities, again, for gift-giving season. So let's get to it. All right, let's kick things off with an Amazon merch sales update. In the last 7 days, I made 506 sales, $1,400 profit on the US market, and I don't know, what's that, about another maybe $400 profit. Actually, I had a lot of sales in Japan. On one day, I think I had like 20-something sales in Japan. I didn't even check what shirt it was. I'm sure it was probably multiple shirts to one customer. So it might have been like $450 maybe in the international markets when you do the conversion, maybe even $500. So a pretty good week. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, link in the description. I post daily sales updates for motivation. All right, let's get to the top 10 best sellers. This is uncurated other than filtering out the best-selling brands that we cannot sell. You know what I mean? Filtering out Marvel, filtering out Disney, etc. So this is what the top 10 look like. It probably comes to nobody's surprise that 9 out of the top 10 are Thanksgiving related. Okay, we already knew Thanksgiving was going to be selling really well, and here we are. So niche number 1 this week, following the theme of best-selling niches, excluding Turkey Day, Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, and Christmas. Niche number 1 is, well, if you saw the top 10, you know that the number 1 best-selling non-Thanksgiving was the I'm Not Old, I'm Classic shirt, which I decided to call Classic Cars. Okay, Classic Cars. I know everybody's got somebody in their life that is, a huge car guy, car girl, people that just love cars. So how about Classic Cars as an interest-based, hobby-based, passion-based niche for niche number 1? And you can tell the BSRs of the top 10, looks like the average BSR in the top 10 is probably under 20,000, I would say. So that's definitely making it a very attractive niche as a whole. All right, niche number 2, teaching. All right, even though the number 1 teaching shirt is a cross niche of teaching and Christmas, and the number 2 is cross niching teaching plus Thanksgiving, but as a whole, we know that the teaching shirts sell extremely well year round. Also, shout out to all the teachers. I know, for myself at least, very much appreciated. Also, shout out to all the veterans, of course, as well. Yesterday being Veterans Day. Also, I wanted to do a shout out to Rose Forever. All right, they have sent me and Marielle a couple roses. These roses last at least a year. So if you want to go say thank you to, the teacher in your life, maybe check out Rose Forever. There's a 30% off code linked in the description. They really are nice flowers. And what girl doesn't like flowers? Come on now. Niche number 3 this week. Oh, before we get to niche number 3, one more shameless plug. Check out the link in the description for my free 20-day mini course delivered via email to help you get started with print on demand, and check out my print on demand Facebook group. All right, niche number 3. How about sarcastic shirts? Sarcasm shirts, general funny shirts. For instance, we're just going kind of in order, filtering out Thanksgiving, filtering out Christmas. We have a shirt that says, I have selective hearing. Sorry, you weren't selected today. Tomorrow isn't looking good either. Simple text-based design, BSR 5,500. I mean, that's pretty nice. Another one here, actually the next shirt up, was a penny for your thoughts. Seems a little pricey, and that is 6,300 BSR. So when we look up sarcastic shirts, here are some of the shirts that rank as the top 10. The first one is Thanksgiving based. It says, I like it moist. The next one, a penny for your thoughts, seems a little pricey. Next one, oh, got a little chihuahua saying hello here. Come here, buddy. We have, I don't always play video games. Sometimes I eat and sleep, and once I even left my room. It's weird being the same age as old people. One got shown up that says husband, daddy, protector, hero. I don't know how that's sarcastic. One says wake and bake. Next one says bruh. Next one says I swallow juicy wieners. So as you guys can see, the sarcastic shirts, I mean, there is just a million of them, and they are hilarious, okay? All right, niche number 4 is going to be a really popular evergreen that I bet you some of you could have guessed. If you keep your finger on the pulse of these niches year round like I do, Anime themed shirts sell extremely well, and I think present a good opportunity if you have some graphic design chops, because you can make anime cross-niched with anything. Like, you could literally make anime style anything else. Like, make a list of people's hobbies, interests, etc., and then create graphics in the anime theme. Shout out to Detour Shirts, friend of the channel. Juna's great at this, and if you would like to level up your graphic design ability in a print-on-demand sense, his channel is a great place to start. So I'll go ahead and link to it right here in the YouTube cards in case you want to check him out. Show him some love. And niche number 5 this week is going to be hunting and outdoors. Again, I'm going literally in order, by the way. So I'm looking at like the best sellers. This is not exactly the best way to get the absolute best-selling niches as a whole. When you are really just looking at bestsellers, the way I'd prefer to do it as a whole in a more definitive sense would be to look at the average BSRs of maybe the top 10 of all these niches, but I don't know a tool that really does that. So that might be something, if you guys are looking to innovate, maybe in the future, do something like that. So in terms of the best-selling shirt in these niches, well, the next ones up were hunting and outdoors themed. We had one that says, I'm into fitness deer in my freezer. The next one is just a camo American flag with the deer silhouette. And then behind me, of course, you got the Sasquatch Bigfoot. All right, so here we go, hunting and outdoor shirts. As you can see here, like the funny shirts seem to be really popular in this niche. Number 4 here, number 4 bestseller says, school is important, but hunting is importanter. Number 5 is just like a weird, like kind of mystic wolf. Number 6, fishing solves most of my problems. Hunting solves the rest. So you got some funny ones here. You got one behind me that has like the crosshairs on on some deer and it says fast food. So. And again, even if it's not your thing, guys, I mean, if we're talking about making money selling t-shirts, you don't have to like the niche, right? You can still sell in the niche and make money without liking the niche. I know it's not going to be everybody's favorite thing here, but personally, I've never been hunting, but it does look fun. Emerging trends. Here we go. These are shirts that are significantly outperforming their 30-day average BSR. So we have the She's My Sweet Potato, Yes I Am. We knew those would sell well. I think I uploaded some of those. I don't remember if it was on a YouTube tutorial or if it was like for my course members or something, but I have some shirts in that niche that sell extremely well. If you guys join my private community, actually, every Wednesday we have a meeting and I kind of lead that one. The Friday one is more collaborative, but 2 live streams a week, not bad. If you want to work directly with me, by far the best way to do it. And I showed them that I'm literally making sales on these shirts every year. I just don't remember why I uploaded them. I did it though as a part of a tutorial in the past, and they're so simple. Like the sweet potato, Yes I Am. You would never think that it would be that easy, but I swear it can be. Also, I give a niche of the week, like a single niche where I say, if you are just looking to make quick sales, this is the niche I would be in. And, you know, there's going to be a new one this upcoming week, so I'll let you guys in on a little secret. The niche this past week was the sweet potato, Yes I Am. Because even though you might think, oh, there's no way I can break into that niche, like I literally show with my sales that you can. And I do reveal some of my shirts that sell, including, as I mentioned, the sweet potato, Yes I Am. So it can be, you know, basically it's as hard as you make it on yourself, I would say. All right, looking ahead, here we go. These are upcoming niches, trends related to specific dates that may fly under the radar. December 12th is Poinsettia Day. December 13th, Ice Cream Day. December 14th, International Monkey Day. December 15th, Bill of Rights Day. And December 17th, National Maple Syrup Day. Here we go, the archive, closing out the episode. So 11 months ago, and I'm not sure if this is also missing some Christmas shirts. I imagine 11 months ago there would be more Thanksgiving and Christmas shirts in the top, 15. So I reached out to Podly and said, asked them to check on that. You know what I mean? But 11 months ago, here's some evergreen shirts that were selling well. I almost did the filtering out of the Christmas and Thanksgiving for us. And you see a lot of the same shirts, by the way. So when you get these bestsellers, sometimes it just cements literally a recurring passive income stream for years to come, which is the dream, right? Here we go. Removed designs. These are all removed in the last 2 weeks by either the uploader or by Amazon. And I actually had an example of, look, somebody uploaded just straight up like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer from the old movie. And of course that got removed. Check this out. So there was this, is that the skyline of like, I'm going to make myself look like an idiot. Is that like San Francisco maybe? If it's not, it might be like Texas. I don't know. In the bear there. Someone's going to tell me in the comments. I know you will. Thank you in advance. But whatever that was uploaded to, I'm guessing it was like related to being fans of a specific professional sports team. I didn't have to look. I just kind of got that vibe when I looked at it. And then what do you know? A week later or 2 weeks later, after seeing it in the top bestsellers for a while, it goes to the dogs of Amazon, and whoever uploaded it probably banned from Merch by Amazon. So just a reminder, it's not worth it, guys. Do not play in the gray area on Amazon Merch. If you want to do it on other platforms, I can't tell you what to do and what not to do, but I can definitely guarantee you it's not worth it on Amazon Merch. You guys see how much money I'm making, and it's for all work that I did in the past. I want you to be here, and one day you will get here if you do the work. So don't put it all at risk for, something silly. Thank you for watching, guys. Quick reminder, my full print-on-demand course is linked in the description. It is the best way to learn my exact process to start, scale, and automate your print-on-demand business that's been making me six-figure profits every year, passive, since 2019. Also, my private community is linked in the description if you want to work directly with me and attend the double weekly live streams. Also, of course, the replays shared, and there's collaborative community boards. And the cost of your first month is covered because I'm going to give you free Etsy listings that exceed that cost. So it's a great value. Linked in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.